Good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here in our tiny balcony. Only now the sun is coming out. Because this morning, look at the road is wet because it's rain this morning. The road is very wet a while ago. When I look up from the from balcony, when I look up the road, it's so wet because of the rain. It's good now. The sun is coming out. See? Going to Lake Park and Cornish Beach. But this time because of what in Middle East, we choose to stay at home. It's better to safe than sorry. Anyway, happy Tuesday everyone. I hope everyone is okay, safe, and out of danger, and always healthy. Remember, take good care of ourselves, and especially our health. Me, I want to live long. That's why I want to take care of myself. Going out while still there's something happen in Middle East right now. Guys, this is our next building. I don't know what is inside that building. I cannot see any people there, and there is no window. And always closed. In the machine is very noisy. I don't know, maybe it's a factory or what is inside. Always closed. The building is always closed. They never open it. I don't know what is inside. That road, the small road is going to Lake Park and Cornish Beach. Guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, or suggestion. Of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Happy Tuesday. Enjoy your day, guys. Stay safe and healthy, everyone. Bye.